You may have heard that the keto diet works wonders for fat loss and you're eager to try it. However, there's just too much info floating around and you're clueless where to start. In this video, you'll be given the bare facts simplified so that you have an idea of what the diet is all about and can decide if it's right for you. The keto diet is a fat-based diet. The keto diet is very high in fat and your macros will roughly be made up of 70 to 80% fat, 20 to 25% protein and about 2 to 5% carbs. Most keto dieters do not exceed 50 grams of carbs a day. Contrary to popular belief, eating fats is not detrimental to your health. In fact, it's very beneficial. But you must only eat the good fats. The keto diet breaks your addiction to carbs. The biggest obstacle people face when embarking on most other diets is their food cravings. Since their diets contain carbs, they get these cravings and hunger pangs. The keto diet puts an end to the problem by breaking your addiction to carbohydrates. Through this diet your body burns fat instead of carbs. Most people burn glucose for fuel. This glucose comes from carbs. When you're on a keto diet, your body converts fats into ketones and burn the ketones for fuel. Your body runs much more efficiently on ketones. Since you're using fat for fuel, the body will burn up your fat stores more rapidly. This is one reason why people lose more weight with the keto diet than any other diet. With the keto diet it's easier to stick with. Unlike the paleo diet that is very strict, with the keto diet, you have much more freedom to eat foods you love. Butter, bacon, nuts, coconut oil, olive oil, salmon, fatty meats, etc. are all recommended in the keto diet. The higher the fat macros, the better. Keto meals are often tasty, and you'll not feel like you're eating cardboard while on the diet. It has anti-aging properties. The keto diet helps burn off tumors because the body is low in glucose. Your skin will be radiant, and you'll feel much lighter. Since processed foods are not encouraged in the keto diet, most of your food will be single-ingredient foods which are nutritious and beneficial to your health. The keto diet has been shown to improve brain health too. This is important as you age. It also increases energy. One of the best benefits of keto is the abundant energy you feel when you're burning ketones for fuel. You'll not be lethargic, and it will seem as if a brain fog has been lifted. You'll have better sleep, more energy for your workouts, and have better concentration. You won't be craving sweets. You'll not have cravings for sugar or sweet foods when on a keto diet. During the first 4 to 7 days, you may yearn for some carbs and sweet foods. However, once your body goes into ketosis, you'll not have these cravings anymore. Unlike other diets where you're still burning glucose for fuel, you'll always have cravings for sugary foods and end up binging at night. This is one reason why so many diets fail. The dieter has not weaned herself off using glucose as a fuel source. By now, you should have an idea of what the keto diet is. This diet has been proven to work, and while it will require a change in your eating habits, once you make the change, you'll be glad you did. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits that come from this powerful diet. But before I end this video, if you want to lose weight fast without giving up your favorite food and without starving yourself, then the keto diet is your answer. And we know it can be difficult to figure out the exact steps on how to lose weight using the keto diet, but that's why we've partnered with the amazing team at Custom Keto Diet. They will literally create a custom keto diet plan with step-by-step instructions on how to achieve your target weight goal. To claim your custom keto diet plan, click the link in the description and answer a quick quiz about your goals. The quiz will help the team over at Custom Keto Diet to craft the perfect plan for you and you only. It's a specific 8-week plan for you only. You can even choose your food preferences and they will tailor the plan to your preferences. So go ahead and click the link in the description and get your custom keto diet plan.